Hi folks, Chris in Arena Studio Land. Thanks for checking out the work that goes on in this wonderful place to live and work. It's great. Well, it feels like living here sometimes. So what we're going to talk about, well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run a weekly sort of class on songwriting, on music production, on basically aimed at the singer-songwriter, this lesson, where we can take the fundamentals of music theory and apply it to creating chord progressions, creating melody, creating harmony, so that you actually follow musical form. Because despite what most people think, music does follow form, and if you've not got the correct formula, you will create something that's great, but not something that sounds spectacular. So the idea is, like I say, is to instill this knowledge into you so that you can basically pick a guitar or a piano and vamp a few chords, know what chords you're playing because you're in the correct key, understanding the relationship between the scales of the chords, the scales of the key which create the chords. We're going to go over harmonization of the diatonic scale, which sounds very technical, but it's probably one of the most important things that you can use as a songwriter to create great songs where your melody sits fantastically over all your chords. So you will write better chord structures, better chord progressions, better melodies, your harmonies will work. So this is where we're going to go with this ongoing course, really. And I'm going to try and keep as much information on there for all you subscribers and members. It's brilliant that this service is out there. So the idea, like I say, is so that it doesn't break the bank, and you can actually get to experience and improve as a musician or a songwriter, and a singer, guitar player, anything. I'm going to cover all those topics as we go. So keep up to date with all this, and I'll see you on this amazing journey.